and good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. We're here in Port Macquarie. Just have a bit of a look around today. Have a bit of explore and see what we can find. So we're going to head through the town centre and a little bit around the river mouth and maybe out to the beaches. I'm not sure how it's going to look. From what I've seen so far, there's been a fair bit of rain around and a lot of water. The water's quite brown at the moment, not the most appealing, but yeah, we're here in Port Macquarie to check out what they've got to offer. So let's get going. So we're just gonna go for a bit of a walk through Port Macquarie's main streets. It is 7:30 in the morning on a Saturday, so there's not a lot open yet, but yeah, I'll just give you a bit of a rough look around. Just near Port Central at the moment, so we'll go for a wander through there. So that was a little bit of inside Port Central. I'm obviously very early and nothing at all is open pretty much. A couple of cafes that are open at the moment, but that's about it. So we'll go for a walk down the waterfront, have a look down there. It's obviously going to be a lot prettier than shops, unless you love shopping, but yeah, there's plenty of different shops around here. Couple of different pubs that I've seen so far. Obviously it's a reasonably large town, there's a lot here, a lot to do. So yeah, let's go and check out the waterfronts. So we're just walking down from one of the main streets. There's a couple of streets that have got a lot of shops in them, so I'm not exactly sure which one is the main street, or are they all? It's just the city centre. Got a couple of good fruit markets here as well. Bowls Club, they've got a good feed in the Bowls Club. Yeah, that's just giving you a rough rundown. But yeah, let's go and check this waterfront out that we're heading to. So this is right on the edge of the town itself. We're only one block over from where the shops were. Got some kayakers out there already. A fair few people walking around. Obviously this is where all the people are. A couple of people fishing. Had a bit of rain around the area. Well, a lot on the mid-north coast and southwest Queensland, and we're on the mid-north coast at the moment, so the water's a bit muddy looking. So we're just walking along the water's edge, and they've got all these rocks that are painted, all the different descriptions on there, so we'll give you a bit of a look at those. They're pretty cool. So we got birthday ones on there, just messages basically. Track Travelers, some real cool ones. This just keeps going on and on. That one's done with tiles. So this one here is a family one. They've been coming here since 1999, and by the look of it, they've been here every year. Just added to it. Caravan park, just on the other side of the walkway. So there's Port Resort through an RMA as well. That's the sign I found outside the place. But yeah. Lots of cabins on this side, and the other side of the cabins there's caravans. Looks like there's plenty of room in there too. Very central, so it's only excuse me, only one block over from the main street, or centre of town. Not exactly sure if it's main street or centre of town. But yeah, come on down here and check it out. We've just done a bit of a walk along the water's edge. Goes out to the, this container wall goes out to the point bit and the mouth of the river. That's just the top of it there, just to give you a bit of an idea. Got a couple of signs here. Just keeps going up. Pelican at the top. This is the little shack they call it. It's a cafe slash coffee shop, I guess. But yeah, that's the view you got. Sit outside, have a coffee and some breakfast and relax. It's not bad at all. Good change from the wet that we've been having everywhere. Right, let's keep walking and see what else is around. It's quite nice to use all these older looking buildings as pubs and restaurants and other things. Real estate. Yeah. So let's head on up and see if we can find the beach up the other side, and we'll have a look over in that direction. See you soon.